train 519 now. So on the 4 cars, we got 364. Train 13. We'll take it back to the over. I'm gonna go over. While we go over there.
At that end?
At that end. I'm gonna be over there for the next train. For the next one, I'm gonna start and then come over here.
Oh, people are getting on the next one, right?
Yeah. More trains. We got the airport train coming in. It's Silver Enterprise leaving. We'll get Silver Enterprise real course. We got 834. We just want train. Happy that train day. He's leaving. So 105 road course 834. 836. Take care. 836. We'll take it up to the airport. Next up, the train to Warminster. More action to come. Here's the Warminster, another Silver 5 for me. Good Silver 5 road course. We got 706. 706. He's leaving. So on 5 road course 706, 707, 811, and 812. All taken up to Worcester. We'll be coming back to the train to the airport. It's quiet. My phone just doing its bad stuff. Anyways, more trains, more action to come. We will not be seeing the Heritage Unit over here. Maybe we'll see it first. Here's the next one coming in. The Chester West Off-Road cars, we got 440.
Not very nice people. I don't like conductors. There's no reason why they can't come.
You don't like drivers that do that?
Why?
Why?
Because it's only polite to blow your horn. I mean, there's no reason that they can't do it.
I was going to do it for them. I waved at them and they didn't do it.
I know.
More to come. Here is a separate water fights coming in, and it's the Doylestown of the Dead. It's the Doylestown off-road course. We got 878, 877, 849, and 850. Taking off to Doylestown from Fernwell. goes. And for some reason, it says far off. I don't know why. We got 3 more trains. That's it. Here we got the next Silver Force coming in. Silver Force cars we got.
See, he does it.
We got 424. It's the data. 424, 423, 423, 424, and 290. All hanging on to Monster as a jethead train. He's late. 3 more trains. That's it. Okay? And off he goes. Next is the West Triton. More to come. Let me check something. Is that the West Triton?
A lot of planes this morning.
I gotta check. Is that the West Triton? Nope. Here we got the West Triton train coming in. More Silver 5s leading. It's a 5-car train of Silver 5. We got Silver 5 row cars. We got.
Now see that other guy, he blew his horn.
We got 723, 825, 826, 821 Silver car, and 822. We got 2 more trains, and then that's it. And then we have to go home. More come. Here is the Malvern train. More Silver 4s leading. We got Silver 4 row car. We got 298. Off he goes again. We got 1 more train, and then that's it. Here's our final train of the day. This is it for today at Elkins. And he's coming in to the station. Silver 4's leading. We got Silver 4 row car. We got 358. National
Trade Day. I see him out here a lot.
It's National Trade Day.
Is it? I should have that off.
Is that it?
I don't know. Is that it?
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. There's only 9 trains. Got to go home, right?
Yeah.
The train is out of here. Now it's time to go home. We're gonna go home. Plug by things in. Eat something.
And I'm gonna have
Plug things in. Eat something. And then we'll see when Papa's kids home. And then I'll get ready for Fern Rock.
What time do you usually go there?
We go there. The first train's like in the 120s.